Well, guys, I got him. That mess right there can finally be arranged. I'll be able to arrange it. I'm just having to assemble. I need zip ties too, because those little things are not going to hold. See, look how easy they slip off. Boop. These things are going to need zip ties, but once they're up, we'll be good. Rogue, say hi. Say hi to YouTube, Rogue. As my boyfriend listens to Saturday Night Live mocking the presidential debate. Allegedly. Delaware's not even a real state, guys. Oh my god. You guys, for those who don't know, not him.
Just 1 second, Chris.
That's Jim Carrey, guys. He's all 6 feet.
Okay.
It looks like you're ready to debate, Joe.
Absolutely not.
There's some asshole out there.
40...
I wonder if it's a wrecked car.
These fucking workers, man. I was gonna say something else, but I won't be mean on YouTube.
Tonight we'll be discussing 6 major topics, none of which anyone will remember by tomorrow. We begin with the Supreme Court. President Trump, 2 minutes.
I'm going to do 10. I'd like to begin with a list of complaints. People
Is that
are
a
mean
Baldwin?
to me. Joe here is
does
very
the
mean.
Trump.
Chris Wallace
Yeah,
is mean.
I could
The
highlight-
economy
You
is
guys,
mean.
that's
It keeps
Alec
losing
Baldwin,
jobs,
right?
Which is mean to me. The China virus has been very mean to me by being a hoax, and that statement will not come back to haunt me later this week.
And what about the question I asked you about the Supreme Court?
I think I answered that already. We're very excited about our nominee, Amy Cristina Barcelona, and it was so nice. So nice to welcome her the other day with open arms and uncovered faces.
Mr. Vice President, same question. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Chris. Now look, here's the deal.
No, it's not.
Excuse me, please.
No, whatever you're going to say, no.
Mr. President, please let him speak. He let you speak, now let him speak.
He's lying. I can't point out if he says a lie.
I said 2 words, you son of a no. Don't do it, Joe. It's exactly what he wants.
Jim Carrey
Don't
plays a
let
great
your
Joe Biden.
Whitey Bulger come out. Just flash them all that smile they taught you in anger management.
Now, Mr. Vice President, and only Mr. Vice President, would you consider adding additional justices to the Supreme Court?
He won't even answer.
I just asked the
And he
question.
won't even answer it, just like he won't answer what about his son Hunter and Burisma and the mayor of Moscow and Obama was spying on me and he emailed Benghazi.
Mr. President, no one understands what you're saying. You're just listing terms you heard on Fox
Who's
News.
the
and it sounds
questioner?
like you're saying the names
Him.
of characters
his name.
from
He's a
season 4 of a show that no one has watched.
Sheriff of Portland.
Mr. Vice President, please answer.
Now look, here's the deal.
Can I respond to that, Chris?
Will you just shut up?
That's probably when he told him in the actual debate.
What I meant
Would
to
you
say
just
was,
shut up?
I'd appreciate it very much if you could just allow me to finish my responses as opposed to sabotaging every waking moment with a toxic geyser of verbal diarrhea, you cracked out, turd-hurling sack of rancid snot. Back to you, Chris.
You still have 2 minutes, Joe.
Oh, really? Where was I?
You said, look, here's the deal.
Oh, right. Look, here's the deal. Nope, lost it. Come back to me.
Chris, can I say one thing? Am I allowed to say one thing?
Yes, Mr. President.
What we need in this country is law and order. When someone breaks the rules, they need to face the consequences. No exceptions.
Okay, what about your taxes?
There have to be exceptions, Chris. The terms law and order, they're very vague terms, and rules are meant to be broken. It's the same with masks. I've got mine right here in my pocket, okay? My mask, all right? It's like a seatbelt, though. You just wear it when you're backing out of the driveway, then you take it off, okay? But Joe wears the biggest mask I've ever seen, and he's standing like 200 feet away from everybody. Oh.
Look, man, I'm a nice guy, but if you give me any more guff tonight, I'll rip your face off like a mad chimp. I'll knock that thing off your head and burn it. Bury it in the pet cemetery where it came from. Stop it, Joe, stop it.
You could tell he's trying not to laugh.
You can't lose your cool just because this joker's raising little monkey dust. The country's counting on you. You just stand here and look lucid. I know it. I know what'll calm me down. My new Harry Styles meditation tape.
We dip our toes in the cold, wet sand
Nice.
and sit and face the sea.
Cleansing.
We let the waves wash over us. Alone, just you and me.
Hey.
That's an actual thing, by the way.
And I better listen to my meditation tape as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, leaders and fighters for freedom and liberty and the American dream.
Is it supposed to be his wife?
Is yet to come.
All right, can we please have a civilized dialogue? Debates are a time-honored tradition and the bedrock of American democracy.
Gay.
Mr. President, if you keep interrupting this debate...
That's the SNL presidential debate, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And now it's back to assembling my shelves. And a kitty. See, you can't get on those. He just tripped out. He tried to walk on it, on these. And his foot went through here. And it tripped him out. He's discovering that he cannot walk on these like a normal cat. Mr. Rogue, guys.